What up? What up? What up? Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. I am ready to have an absolutely wonderful week. I hope you are as well. Had a little downside movement in the market last week, but that's okay. We were able to find some magnificent opportunities. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the drops as soon as they are available without taking up too much of your time. Let's start this off like we always do with a quick update of the Roth portfolio. Everything is going according to plan. We're definitely on the right track. I shall be giving an update since the last contribution that was made to the portfolio. That will be coming up shortly. As always, if you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, please make sure to send them over to the channel. Let's check out the US economics calendar for the week. Nothing special scheduled Monday. Sometimes things pop up. We shall see. Tuesday, job openings. Wednesday, CPI. Thursday, core PPI. Next week, we are going to be looking at FOMC rate decisions Wednesday, March 19th. So definitely be aware of that. There is a chance, or the odds of a rate cut have went up since we've had all this tariff talk and pullback in the market. Let's check out the fear and greed index. I like to do this every once in a while. Right now, the market, extreme fear, it's at 20. Last week, or previous close, it was at 17. So a little less fear for what it's worth. It's based on a group of different metrics that CNN uses. As far as the timeline goes, last time we had extreme fear at 17. This is the level that was on August 5th. And here we had it on March 4th. It was around 17. Then it went to 18 on the 6th and closed the last session at around 20. So for whatever that's worth, we know what the information is. We'll see what this means going forward, or if it means anything. According to the almanac this week, let's get into it. According to the almanac this week, the Dow has been down 1,469 points, March 9th through 22nd in 2001. Crazy. Monday, historically bearish in the market. Tuesday, historically bullish. Wednesday, Thursday, and most of all for the rest of the week, overall more bullish than not. We shall see how this plays out this week. The theme I'm going to be looking at this week is data centers. Now, obviously, there's a chance that we can have more downside in the market, but I know a lot of investors are taking advantage of these discounts off of some of these highs. So I'm going with the data center theme this week. Let's see what we got. Oops. Okay. Let's see what we got. Hopefully everything's okay. All right. IREN. I'm looking for a 2-2 on the 1 minute. 1 minute. Now we'll see how things finish. We may finish up when market opens. We may finish down. Who knows? If you get a discount on some of these, definitely make sure to take advantage of those. This is a 2-2 1 minute above $7.70 First target we'd be looking at is around 1075. Last trading session, there was tons and tons of tons and tons of value and tons of open interest, and there was tons of options being traded as far as volume goes. So I expect that to be the same this week. The next ticker we're going to be looking at is AMD. AMD, could it go down? Yeah, maybe. Is this the low? We shall see. Day above $100.65 if it wants to go. Let's see if we can get to 113 this week. I know that's like super aggressive, right? 13%. Something crazy would have to happen, but we shall see. Another one I'm going to be looking at is VRT. We got a 222 day. Let's check that out. 222 day above 85.50. It's crazy because the broad information, this was all the way in the sky. It's all the way over $200, which is pretty absolutely amazing. Short term, we shall see. Let's see if we can get to $90 this week. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see. And then some other ones, NVIDIA, just because it may be at the low. So you got a 4-hour entry potential on NVIDIA. Yeah, 312, 4-hour above 113.10. We want to see if this decides to take back off. If it does, I don't know. Let's see how far we go. Can we get to this 119.17? We shall see. A couple tickers that have been on the watch list, we still want to keep in mind. APLD, we had the entries over $6.96. We played this multiple times. We had previous entries over 9 when it shot to the sky. We're trying to take advantage of again, and hopefully we get the moves that we're looking for. So this one, first stop we're looking at is about 1041 there. Another one, Southern SO, has been absolutely strong. We had the 1 minute above 88.49. So, we have these things on the watch list. They'll continue to go. They'll continue to go over time. So make sure you take advantage of these. And right here, we're looking at, give this some time. We're looking at over $100, 108, something like that. The last one we're going to look at this week is going to be Amazon. We're looking for, I guess it's at 1 minute entries potentially on Amazon. Was it 1 minute? Yeah. It was a 1 minute entry above 199.54, 221 minute. I guess the price action on this chart is kind of blocking it. Let me activate it. So 221 minute above 199.54. So we want to see if Amazon takes off. First stop on this one, short term, we're looking at about 204. With every one of these setups, if you were to actually get the discounts, you definitely want to take advantage of those because you already know where they're going on the other side. So for example, if you get a discount to around this monthly broad information on Amazon, 195.5 level, anything at that level just above or wicking below, you got a good opportunity to immediately take that back to the other side of the range. A little bit of corporate data, VRT dividend 38 cent March 8th, and NVIDIA dividends of 1 cent on March 12th, 1 cent. Something better than nothing, I guess. So hopefully this helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, make sure to put those down in the comments below. If you get any wins, I'd like to hear about those. I saw somebody ask a question on one of the previous watch list videos. It said, how do you find the plays? There is no right or wrong way. There are tons and tons of stocks out here. What we actually want to have, what we actually want to figure out is what setups to look for and put ourselves in a position to win. So I am going to make a video about that. I know a lot of people ask about that. How do you find it's not some kind of secret method? It's really just knowing what you're looking for. So anybody can present me with the ticker and I can look at the chart and decide if I'm going to be interested in that. I can look at the options, I can analyze contracts, I can do a little research and decide if I'm going to be interested in that. So I'm going to make a video about that. It's going to be very, very simple. We want to focus on the right things. A lot of people think there's these crazy magic tricks. You just really got to know what you look for. I'm a hoops fan, so in hoops, you know, you just really got to get to your spot. I know Dirk Nowitzki had the free throw line, step back 1-footer, just a 1-foot jump shot. Doesn't matter if you know what it is, you don't need to do a lot, right? You just need to know the setups you're looking for and then take advantage of those. It makes it pretty easy. But with that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week, and I hope you are as well. Catch up with you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.